Yeah, hi, Gaz. It's Mark, FMAV. Okay, I'm just going to give this another go for you. I said to you I'd do a video on it. Right, I've checked it over. I can't find anything wrong with it, and I've played it up and down, and it's absolutely freezing in my office. It's really cold in here, like the cold hair's coming out of my mouth type of thing. These lasers are pretty susceptible to that. And it's working fine even with that, so it's quite a rarity. Look, I'll just push play, and you can see it spinning up. Yeah, I mean, what I've noticed is that peg's a little bit close on that CD, but I mean, as long as it's freely spinning like that, you shouldn't have any problems. You can see it's working fine there. Yeah, I mean, the spindle, the top of the spindle's fine. There's nothing stopping it. There's no rubbing. Give it another go. What you can do, Gaz, right, is these cables here, they should be marked red and green. Red, green, black. I think that is red, green, black. When you put them cables in, bend them down a little bit and make sure you push them right in, because on them cables they tend to wear a little bit, and when you unplug them you pull the plugs out. So just push them in, just push like as if you're pushing the wires in more. Just make sure there's no like plugs showing, if you understand what I mean, like the metal in the plug. Give that a try and see what you can do with that. But this is working perfect. It's not it's not giving any errors or showing any problems. It's going through all the tracks. It's not jumping or anything. So it's really odd. But yeah, give it another try and let me know, please. Thanks very much, guys. Hope you have a good one. Cheers, buddy.